Hi guys, I'm going to be telling you how to crimp or wave your hair without using a crimper. Alright, so you can see my hair is already pretty wavy, and this is from using this technique. You just take a flat iron, any straightener or whatever, anything like this, and you just go like this in a wave-like motion, and you just go back and forth. And it might look a little weird at first, but afterwards it ends up looking super cute. And it's affordable. You won't have to go out and buy a fancy crimper or anything. This is what I'm doing temporarily while I save up for a crimper. I mean, I want one, but I just can't have one right now. And this is really fast and easy. I started doing this just one day because I wanted my hair to be wavy, and I tested this out and it worked. But your hair has to be dry, and it has to be combed through before you do this. Alright. Well, this piece of hair is just bugging me. So, yeah. And then from this other side. Alright, see, that's pretty wavy. And then if you want, you can comb over it afterwards again. And then you could put in some hairspray. I use Aquanet, nothing really fancy, it's kind of cheap, but you could do that and put it on your hands and scrunch it. And that adds a little bit of volume to it at least. And then you could just squeeze it at the bottom. Or you could add some mousse too, and I know you're supposed to use that once you get out of the shower, but it works good sometimes if you want that wavy type look. And you just use that to scrunch your hair in as well. That's pretty much just what you do. I mean, it'll turn out wavier if you do the little sections, but it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll upload more videos, maybe, if I get more views and suggestions on what to do. So yeah, subscribe, I guess. Tell me what to talk about if you don't want beauty tutorials or anything. So yeah, thanks for watching.